Often we won't see issues with the layout of our sites until after we've finished the majority of the code. So at the end of each project, I like to go back and refactor things a bit to tidy it all up and bring everything together. To do that for this project, we're going to focus mainly on base.css, where we'll make some adjustments to various font size and layout issues on the smallest mobile screens, and then on the shopping bag page, which currently doesn't have a very mobile-friendly layout. All the CSS we'll add is going to go in the media query at the bottom of base.css here, and we'll touch various parts of the site. First, let's take a look on a mobile screen only 320 pixels wide and try to make it all look good there, because if it looks good there, it's likely to be okay on everything above that. Starting on the home page, the first thing that jumps out is the nav bar accidentally wrapping and all the font sizes and icons being generally too big. In base.css, first I'll reduce the size of the main page callout to 2 rem. I'll also reduce the padding on the nav links, the font awesome icons, and the navbar toggle button. Last, I'm going to reduce the font size of the delivery banner to 0.9 rem so it won't wrap even on the smallest modern screens. This will tighten the whole navbar up and reduce the font sizes on mobile screens. Let's see how that looks. So that looks a lot better. The rest of the issues center around the buttons on the product detail page and the shopping bag page, mostly just that they've got too much padding and their font sizes are too big in some cases. To change the ones on the product detail page, we can use their chain of classes in order, and then to fix the ones on the shopping bag page, we'll also need to reduce their font size slightly and adjust their class list since they'll use the button large class. Finally, on the shopping bag page, we want the increment and decrement quantity form buttons to ignore these changes, so I'll set those paddings explicitly. Now we can browse around the site on the smallest screen and everything looks okay. That's it for CSS, and the last two fixes are quite quick. First, our login and registration templates are currently restricted to only half the screen, so let's adjust the account base in the all auth templates to use a full width column on mobile and 50% width only on medium and up. Last, this isn't a visual fix, but in the process of refactoring, I noticed that we were missing a link to the profile page in the mobile version of the navbar. So let's fix that here in mobile-top-header.html. I want to make one more fix here too, since users on mobile currently have no way to get back to the home page since the logo is hidden. To fix that, let's go to mainNav.html and add a new list item in the nav just above products. It'll be display block, but display none on medium and up, so it'll be hidden except for in the mobile menu. I'll just copy the all products link here. Change the href and the ID. And delete everything else since we don't need it. With our login and registration templates fixed, the menu tidied up, and font sizes and buttons adjusted across the site, I'll commit these changes, and in the next video, we'll refactor the shopping bag page to look much better on mobile.